bike? Libby, come here, look. Look. Santa ate all his milk and cookies.
Wow.
At least presents, and she wants the bow. What is that?
Mommy, dog.
Dog? That's big. That's a big puppy.
Big puppy. Mommy, hey.
Do you want to open presents?
Yeah.
Okay. That's for Bella.
Look, Bella even got a
Do you
present.
want to give that to Bella? Say Merry Christmas, Bella. There you go, Bella.
Bella.
Bella. Bella loves the present.